So for this journal, first you're going to insert an image into the journal. The image must represent a problem you've had to solve. So I'm going to show you how you're going to insert that image. So first, we're going to go right up here to Insert. When that drops down, you're going to go to Image. And then you're going to slide over here and go right down and click on Search the Web. So that'll open up a text box over here that you can search in. See, I was already doing a little research, so that can show you where you'll have to click. So then I already did an example of learning to tie your shoes. You can see right here, you could represent that by this picture here, or just a pair of shoes with some laces in general. Whatever really, sticks out to you. And then another example that we can research right now is how to ride a bike. So when you were little, you didn't know how to learn how to ride a bike, so you had to learn that. So let's see here. Let's type in bike. So if we do that, scroll down and we see somebody riding a bike here. Or if you want to type in the whole phrase, ride a bike, you'll see you get different pictures, and now it's more people riding the bike. But if you just want to type in one keyword, that's acceptable as well. So then we're going to click on the picture, go down here under the directions, and we're going to insert it. And if you want to click on it to resize, you can do that as well. But you can also keep it the size that it comes. So that's going to be how you're going to insert your photo into your journal entry. I can't wait to read them. Good luck, guys.